so thanks for following along so far. I hope your patent search was successful, and we're looking towards the next step of starting to draft the application. So your patent search should have given you a good idea of what was already out there before your idea came along. And that is what we're going to draw on for the background. Now the background is a description of the state of the art. So basically you're describing at the moment of your invention what is already out there. So we'll start off by discussing some of the history maybe of coffee, coffee filter technologies and espresso machines using pressure, and then we're going to talk about some of the drawbacks of these technologies. Can't be handheld, need to be plugged in, need a great source of heat, need a lot of pressure, and so on. And what we're missing out on is having that handheld, instant coffee, instant espresso maker. Say on a camping trip or something where you don't have access to power, you're not at home, but you want a real espresso that's made with pressure and not just instant coffee. So as we break down the description, we're going to make sure not to describe any of the features of our invention. What we're doing is setting the stage for our invention to come along. So we're going to describe the technologies that are out there and their drawbacks, and finally we're going to conclude on what the need is for our invention out there. So in this case, the handheld high pressure coffee maker is beneficial because of its portability, and you can make a real cup of espresso without any power. So we're going to describe that in the background, and that is going to be our completed background.